We're gonna chop Spencer's head off today. Chop Spencer's muffler today. Okay.
Oh, look at that chunk as well.
Here's the plan. That's a huge tip. Okay, now today we're chopping off Spencer's muffler.
Spencer's muff.
We don't have any grinder blades because we're poor.
Yeah, we can't afford grinders.
It's an 06.
1996.
06 poop car.
Yeah.
06, not a Honda. So
shit wagon.
It's knockoff Honda, bro.
Yeah. Look at that view.
So, here's the exhaust. Not too bad. And here's the huge muffler
Fucking massive.
that we're gonna chop off today and see how it sounds. And straight pipe it out the back.
Muffler delete.
Oh,
we got a perfect view right here.
For a sec.
Holy, this guy's a coward. Look, we can get you guys that mint view.
What?
You see Spencer through there? So we're gonna cut that. He's trying to pipe out the back like all of our cars.
How do we do this?
People think it's dumb, dude. I don't understand. Like,
It's literally the smartest thing you can do.
yeah, cut your
Dude, it
muffler.
adds like extra 50 horsepower.
Yeah,
Exactly.
cut your muffler. Grab his car fleet sticker.
Yeah, literally.
You're
This
flying.
actually makes me not be able to see. Like,
Okay, then yo, all you need to do is don't sit right under it and cut. You're
yeah,
fine.
obviously, idiot.
Yeah, go for it.
Rust only one here.
You're a
Really
Steez.
sliding.
Are you cutting?
No.
What? Yo, why isn't it off yet?
2,000 years later.
Show you Dawson's car again. Guy thinks he's sick. Hot boy. Just look at that hot boy. His clutch is gonna blow up. It's factual. Oh, look at this guy.
Oh, I'm getting a grip here.
Day 2.
Yeah, so update on this bad boy. She's uninsured now because, as you can tell, winter's over. It's actually nice outside for the first time in my life. So yeah, what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna take the bed off, take it off, which I believe you take taillights off. There's bolts under the mat here and the filler neck, and then the whole bed should pop off. We're gonna get the gas gauge to work, and we're gonna change the rear diff fluid. I'm gonna sand down the whole back of the frame, paint it all with like the rubberized coating. And then we got a 2-inch lift for the front, like a leveling kit. You can tell it slopes a bit. And we got a 3-inch body lift for the back.
Quick malfunction. We're going to get some grinder blades.
That's the thing. I might just get like an entire new bumper because they're cheap. Just get a body that Duraflex. Bottom one.
No way. We're at Rona. Hey, Brennan.
That round dog. Fuck.
Traffic's literally stupid.
Let's rip it out this guy. Fuck you guys, when we're dry.
I think he's sick. Quads at Rona.
We have.
Got the blades.
Got the Mincho blades. Now we gotta hit 27 speed bumps on the way home.
Yeah.
Okay, we got the
Harry boy.
saw. What is it even called? Quarter saw? It's the fucking exhaust saw. That's all you gotta know.
That's a.
you gotta
it's
do.
called
It's a
an
grinder,
angle
right?
grinder.
Angle grinding. Yeah, I'm putting that in. It's not retard.
Literally about to eat.
The angle grinder ready? Watch it fly. My head.
The hanger's still on, so.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Oh, there's two hangers.
Yeah, there's one here.
There's one over here. And one over there. It's freaking probably weighs 6,000 pounds.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Buddy's ride height's gonna go up 6 feet when you pop it off.
Going there.
Sliding in. Alright. Dude's literally fucking snake under the car right now. Well, you don't like eating sparks?
Not really.
It's like eating.
Even if you test this, whoa,
I need to go like that.
Yeah, that.
But it hooks sparks that way.
Oh,
So I have to change to move so
okay.
it sparks in my
Angle
ass.
is key.
Angle's key.
My head's in its suspension. That's like butter, I'll tell you that much.
I'm sitting screaming.
Yo, we're almost through, dude. So close. Send it!
His engine bay is about to fall out.
It's disgusting.
My last hanger. Let's see what he's doing here.
Get off, you kid.
He's just destroying everything. Dude, you're tightening it.
I'm going wild. Ready? Yeah. Go crazy! Go stupid!
Go stupid. Holy fuck.
It doesn't even come off.
Oh, it's coming.
Is it? Yo, did you get your hanger off?
No, that's what I'm working on, but.
Yo, I have the speed ratchet. Do you want the speed ratchet?
No, it's coming, bro. I'll go crazy! Go crazy!
Yeah.
Ow!
Yo, how's the view in there?
All I can see is car.
All you can see is a Mitsubishi.
Oh!
Yo, I'll even give you the.
Why don't I just grind it off?
Don't grind it off.
Alright, step back, we gotta lube up. Lube up this.
Guys, spray it at Spencer, you should slip and slide out here.
It tastes like crap.
Oh, you tasted it. Don't taste it.
Yo, spray a little bit in your mouth. Tastes good.
Peppermint.
Peppermint mocha.
My hands are
Mitsubishi.
really sick.
Dude, you're sick.
Okay, here we go. Final
Are you in your final form right now?
real nib hours.
Dude, you're like, yo, I got this saw, I'm sick. You don't even know what you're doing. Oh! She released.
She released.
Yo, fire it up.
No, not yet. Hold on. It's not complete. Hold on.
How do you not get that hanger off, dude?
You wanna try?
You know what
You wanna try?
Are you calculating? Get it, take it off.
No, I think I actually got a good angle at it now.
Yeah, you better get
Let
it.
me see, like, actually.
I'm replacing the back part anyway, so I mean.
Like, what is this guy doing? Can someone explain? You're not even close to doing it right. When I worked at the shop, I got all the shit jobs.
I don't care. You're not working anywhere because you got fired.
Dude, just because I put brake pads on backwards, you get fired. Use your calculations.
What?
Dude,
Hello?
you're gonna hit yourself in the
Yo,
face
can you-
if you pull it
Can
off.
you hear me on
You're
this?
gonna pull towards your face and knock your nose off your body.
I already broke my nose.
You're gonna knock your nose clean off. Oh, you look like
Your hands are black, dude.
This is a Mitsubishi giving birth right now.
Brandon's turn.
He doesn't know what he's doing.
I'll let the train pro step in. No.
We got the.
Jeez, man.
See, you also like, look what happens when Papa gets on me.
Alright. So we got it off.
You see it?
Now we're gonna start up.
Say I'm the best though.
You're the worst.
What the hell?
You suck. You got fired from Moy's Auto. It's definitely louder.
It doesn't sound as loud as I thought.
That's definitely louder though. You get more. Yeah, that's good. What are you filming?
Alright, we're heading over to Canadian Tire to get the rest of the pipe. We brought the muffler with us. It's in the trunk, riding fucking trunk seat. Oh, this guy's redlining his car right now. So yeah, we're on our way there. We'll film in the exhaust style. I'll show you guys what we need to get. Okay, so you have a Mitsubishi Eclipse,
Who fucking does it?
which is would be an that would be an unfortunate occasion, but.
Clown's walking through over here.
That's where we go every time we go.
Chowing.
So good.
Quick chow break. It's like blast from the past.
Smells like French fries.
That's the Tim Hortons coming out.
Already, dude.
That sensor's backfired.
New exhaust.
New exhaust backfired.
Alright, so we just got back. We had a little break, you know.
Little
We're
timmy
tired.
stop.
Little coffee break. Here's what we got. We got 2.5 inch
Pipe with no flare on this side, and a 2.5 inch to 2 and whatever.
2 1/4.
And then this is the tip that he wanted. So yeah, we gotta screw this.
Turbo car.
It's the wrong way. We gotta screw these in, and then we're gonna put this together. Then we're gonna put it on the car and see how she goes.
Mint.
There's MacGyver. Okay.
That's sick.
So is that where you want it? Like right there? Pretty much.
Yeah. Here's the startup. Spencer's sneezing now.